guys. We are now going home to Zambag. And this my car with a driver named Richie and a passenger named Fritz. And then this my baby inside the Kami and Tommy, and this my mom with pimples.
With pimples. Puta yan, pa with pimples.
And then is the car at the back.
Hindi ka video doon.
See this?
Too much.
See that? See those cars? Yeah. Do you see those cars? You see that one? You see that? No, wait. Blurry. Look at that. Ma, look at Ma. It's blurry.
We press the screen.
And so we are going to go. This is my suitcase. Whoa!
Luggage.
And this my luggage. So big. Look at that. Then we have my cars.
Where you going, Day?
And this my Nita.
Where you going?
We are going now to Sambags.
Not Boracay. Wait, show them your necklace. Oh, it's so
Look at this. Look at my necklace. So nice. Look at my necklace. See that?
Tell them where did you buy it?
I buy my necklace and I buy.
You talk. I'll hold the phone.
So we are now where in this place. We're now in Labu-Labu, guys. I got a new necklace. Wala ko plastic for 1 week. Char. Ako. And we are going to Sambag. We are going to Sambag.
Ay, ano?
Are going to Sambag.